how to create an avatar with Instagram. So if you want to create an avatar with Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you've opened your Instagram, make sure to log into your account and go for the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, go for the upper right, which has a three bat icon. Go for account center, and under your account center you need to go for profiles. Once you're here on the profiles, you can choose any profile. So for example, if you want to create an avatar with Instagram, then choose Instagram. Once you've chosen Instagram, now here you will have avatar option. Tap on avatar, and from here, if you have already set your avatar on your Facebook, then it will automatically sync your avatar with your Instagram. So if you want to turn that sync off, and then if you want to edit the avatar or create a new avatar, then go for edit the avatar. And from here, you can choose the appearance, like the clothes, for example, the tops, pants, or bottoms, and then shoes, outfits, headwear, eyewear, nose piercing, or earrings, or all of these. So you can choose the appearance. First you can go for the appearance, and then you can choose the hairstyle or the face appearance, like eyebrows, lips, body shape or body color. And then you can go for the store, and then you can choose the accessories or the clothes, and you can go for the closet, and you can add some clothes to your closet. So once you've done with the appearance and the store, you can simply go for the save, which is on the upper right. And once you go for save, you will save your avatar, and that's it. That's how you can create an avatar with Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.